Hi, what's up XRP holders? So in this video I will give you the latest update of XRP coin, and definitely I will give you, my friends, especially my advice, personally advice. This is not a financial video, remember, my brother. Alright, so what's the price prediction of XRP? After, my friends, please, after huge jumps, a lot of holders doing very huge mistakes, so kindly in this video I will also notifying you to kindly don't do these mistakes. Absolutely a few mistakes a lot of holders are doing very fastly, so kindly don't do this mistake, otherwise you will be completely lost now. So kindly, before I get started this video, I have one request: to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon for videos notification, because this channel will be every time notify you the huge jump, the huge good updates or bad updates. My brother, first of all I will explain this chart now. As you can see here on the screen, this chart is very simple now, but here is something very special and very different from others moves now. This is normal move, my brother. As you can see here, XRP will moving upward, but currently, as you can see here, this time be focused now. This time, as you can see here, they will moving normally now. Now this is normal speed, not moving very fastly up and not moving very fastly down. But as you can see here, the resistance line absolutely come out here now, my brother. So definitely, as you can see here, the resistance line is here now. So this chart is clearly told you, my brothers, to the price is in the profit, because as you can see, my friend, this time the green, you can see here, this is two huge jumps now. Definitely after a jumps they will fails down, so therefore I will tell you to don't see the short fail. I will tell you, my brothers, to the holders are doing very huge mistake when this coin will moving upward, so therefore they are starting selling to get a profit. But definitely this is very huge mistake, because as you can see here, when a holder are starting selling, so definitely the price will fails down like that. As you can see here, this time the price will fails down. So therefore I will notify you, my brothers, to don't do this mistake, otherwise, my brothers, you will also be very badly lost now. So as you can see here, this time, my brothers, they will make a one triangle now. The first line, as you can see, my friend, were fails down, and the second line is moving upward now. So here is make one triangle, as you can see here, my brother. And definitely, as you can see here, just in all the, my brother, this point, this is the main point of this, my friend. You can see here, this is the main point of this move, because the resistance line is also come out here now. So as you can see, my friend, this time, sorry, I will draw a resistance line. So here, as you can see, my brother, the resistance line is come out here now. The resistance line is touched for us and a few time, you can see here, and absolutely touch out here and here and here now. So therefore, as you can see here, for 4 times the resistance line will touch out now, but just in only, my brother. As you can see here, they were very badly, my friends, fails down, as you can see in the previous day. So therefore, this coin will moving upward very fastly and very good jumps now. So therefore, I really like it, and I recommend you, all of you now, my brothers, to kindly hold in those days, because I am 100% sure to this coin will give you a profit. So therefore, you will be also, my friends, be ready for risk and get a profit. Absolutely, after a mid of month, this coin will completely go in the moon now. So kindly, if you want to invest in XRP, I think this is one of the good option. Kindly, my opinion is for all of you to please hold, and absolutely be, my friends, be kindly, please be seriously take this. Otherwise, my friend, you will cannot get a profit in upcoming time. Therefore, I will notify you to buy in those days. Otherwise, my friend, the price will moving upward very fastly. The price is increasing 1.3. This is very huge price, but absolutely there is a chance, so they will hit now 2 USD dollar. So be ready for risk and get a profit. Thanks for watching. XRP holder, kindly like video and don't forget to subscribe channel.